Hi Hazel, I thought I would do a little video to say hello and welcome to 4M. I know that you can't be in the classroom, that we can't be at school like normal, and yeah, that school just looks a bit different, but it's great that you can come back to Christian College and be in my class. I'm very blessed to have you. I thought I would tell you a little bit about myself. Um, one thing is that I have a little dog, Bella. This is Bella. She's my little Maltese cross, and she brings me a lot of joy. She loves walks and sleeping, and she's loving having me at home while we're learning online. So that's Bella. Um, I love wearing earrings, and I make earrings as well. Here's some examples that I've prepared earlier. So that's made out of polymer clay, which is what I'm doing in my writing. So I like doing that. I like reading. I go to church, so I do lots of things with my church friends when we're able to meet together. We have a life group, which is a group where I lead a group of how many of there are us? There's about six of us altogether, or eight of us, six including me and my husband. I am married to a man named Michael. He works at a cafe. He used to be a teacher as well. Um, and I like going to the gym when the gym is open. I haven't been very good at doing stuff at home, being active at home, been too busy working and sitting all day. Um, yeah, I'm looking forward to getting to know you better and having you in our class. It's great to hear that you're friends with a few of the girls in our class. Um, yeah, I hope that you find everything really easily and just let me know if you have any questions. And I look forward to seeing your work and I hope that you have a great day. Bye.